Welcome everyone. Today's tutorial is quite important because I'm going to discuss VLOOKUP, which is most important formula in Excel. So we'll discuss how to apply formula, what are prerequisites, and what are drawbacks of formula. So stay tuned if you want to learn. VLOOKUP formula is used to look up the value within the data and provide us the result according to our criteria. Let me show you how. In this example, I have multiple columns with ID, name, code, description, location, quantity, and sale. On right hand side, what I would like, if I type sale person ID, it should give us relevant sale, the sale made by that specific salesman. So I will use VLOOKUP formula, but before applying VLOOKUP formula, I need to make sure is there any spaces within my data, because if there are spaces, the VLOOKUP formula won't work. The easiest way to check the spaces within the data, I will press Control A and then I will press Control G and I will go to the special and select the blanks, press OK, and now it will highlight the blanks within my data. To get rid of the blanks, what I will do, I will go to Control H, press Control H, and I will say find word. I need to find spaces and replace it with, for example, empty word. So I will say replace all. So all finish. We made two replacements. So it replaced the empty cells with the empty word. Now my data is organized and now it's good to go to apply the VLOOKUP formula. So here I will apply VLOOKUP formula. It start with is equal to VLOOKUP, press tab. First one is lookup value. My lookup value is this cell because when I type the ID here, I want the relevant sale in this cell. Comma, next one is table array. So table array is my this data and I will press F4 to fix this data and then comma. Next one is column index number. So this is the number of column from where I want result. So what I want result from this sale column. So sale column, what's the number on of sale column? This is number one, second, third, four, five, six, and seven. So I'll type 7 within the formula, then comma. Next one is approximate match or exact match. So I will select exact match and press tab, close a bracket. Formula is good to go. Press enter. So now you can see, so when I type the salesperson ID, it should give me the relevant sale. So for example, if I type 3311, so it's giving me the sale for this specific salesperson. And if I change the ID, it will change the sale amount as well. So this is how we can apply the VLOOKUP formula. Let's discuss few of the drawbacks. The number first drawback is the lookup value column. So the column from where the formula look up the value, that's called the lookup value column. The values within this column should be unique, so there shouldn't be any repetition of the values here. If they are repeating, then the formula will only pick the first value. So for example, this ID 4411, if I just type here as well 4411 and see, if I type here and see the formula behavior, what it does, if I type 4411, is showing me 3.1 million, which is the first sale, and whereas in the second time the 4411 sale is 7.6 million, which is not picked up by the formula. So formula will not pick up the value which is repeating second time. It will only pick up the value which is unique, and it will pick up first appearance. So this was the one of the drawback. If I just control Z to go back. And the second drawback is the formula work from the left to right hand side and top to bottom. What it means, the lookup value column should be on the extreme left hand side and rest of the column should be right hand side. If there are columns on the left hand side, the formula will not work. And for example, if my ID column is within these columns, for example, if I just select this column, press X and select this column, press Control plus, so my ID column will be moved. And if I want to look up anything from the left hand side, for VLOOKUP will not work. It will only work towards the right hand side. So if I need to make changes within my VLOOKUP formula, and is equal to VLOOKUP, press tab, lookup value is this one, then comma, table array. Table array will start from the middle of the data because my lookup value column is within the data, within the between the columns. So I will select this data, press F4, and now I need to define the column number. So the numbering will start from here. This is one, second, third, four, and five. Sale column number is the 5. Then comma, next one is exact match, close a bracket, press enter. Now it's giving me the sale for this ID 6611. If I change it to 4411, it's giving me the relevant sale. But if I want to find out the name of this ID, so it will not work towards the left hand side, it will only work towards the right hand side. So this is the second drawback which you need to keep in mind. Yeah, so this is how we can use the VLOOKUP formula in Excel. Hit the like button if you like this video and make sure to subscribe my channel.